Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these peach moonstone and hoop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our peach moonstone teardrop to our smallest hoop, and we're going to do that using stainless steel wire. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is to string our wire through our pendant, and then I'm just going to push both sides of the wire up so that they crisscross at the top. Then I'm going to take one of the wires and have it go straight up. I'm going to take this other wire and have it wrap around the one that's pointing up. Then I'm going to have that coil around about 2.5 to 3 times. And then I'm going to cut off my excess wire. And I'm going to make sure everything's straight, that my wire that I cut is tucked in if need be. Everything's lining up, looking good. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of the coil, and I'm going to bend it away from me so that it creates a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that, and then I'm going to bring that around to make a loop. Once I have that loop still open, I'm going to attach my hoop. And then I'm going to hold it in the loop, and I'm going to coil this back around. Then I'm going to cut off my excess wire. Then I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm going to open it up. Just gently twist that open, and I'm going to attach my hoop, both hoops. And then I'm going to twist that wire back into place. And that's all you need to make these earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.